Okay, so I'm going to show you two ways of doing this problem. So this one says graph this function using intercepts. Okay, so what is...
I'm sorry, can you make it a tiny bit bigger?
Yeah, so what is like the y-intercept mean?
Negative 9y.
No, like what does it mean? Like what does the y-intercept mean?
Oh, it's like the point you start on the graph with.
It's like if the line goes through here, what would the y-intercept be?
The 30.
30. So it's where the line crosses this y-axis right here. So that's the y. So the y-intercept would be like that'd be 20, right? And that'd be 80 right there. So there's also an x-intercept. We don't really talk about x-intercept very much. But what's the x-intercept right there?
40.
40. Okay, get that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so to find the y-intercept, you set the opposite letter equal to 0.
Mm-hmm.
Right, so what did I say?
To find the y-intercept, you set the opposite letter to 0.
To find the y-intercept, set x equal to 0. And to find the x-intercept, what do you set equal to 0?
The y.
Set y equal to 0. Okay, so that's how we're going to do it using intercepts. So we'll do the y-intercept. So what do we set equal to 0? X. So we're going to go 15 times 0 minus 9y equals negative 900. Because, okay, before we continue, what is like the x value here?
10.
No, what is this coordinate actually? Like what comma what?
10 comma 0.
What's,
0 comma 10.
0 comma 10. And what is this coordinate right here?
Which one?
This one.
80. 0 comma 80.
0 comma 80. So everywhere where y-intercepts could be, what is the x value going to be?
0.
0. So to find the y-intercept, set x equal to 0, because all of these x values along here are going to be 0.
Mm-hmm.
All right? All along here, what is like the y value there? The y value.
60 and 0.
So it's 60 comma 0. So what's the y value?
0.
0. So all along the x-intercept, what's y going to be?
0.
Yeah. So it's just the opposite. Like if you're on the x-axis, to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0.
Oh.
All right. Okay. So all I did is I plugged in 0. All right. So what do I get right here?
0.
0. So that's gone. So I'm left with negative 9y equals negative 900.
Do you have to rewrite it? Can't you just divide?
From here, you could make a mistake and do something like this. Negative, so divide by negative 9. Divide by negative 9. And y equals what? Y is 100. All right. Over here, didn't copy down yet. 15. That's going to be green. 15x minus 9y equals negative 900. Now what am I doing? So we found...
Sorry, I spaced out. You make the y 0.
Yeah, so for this one here, by the way, y is equal to 100. That's the y-intercept. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dot at 100. All right? So this one over here, I'm going to set y equal to 0, right? So 15 times x minus 9 times 0 equals negative 900. Now what do I do?
15x equals negative 100. Equals negative 900.
Negative 900.
Divide.
I
don't know what that is.
Divide by 15. So you go negative 900 divided by 15. Negative 60. So what do I do with negative 60? What do I do with that number?
You plot it.
Where?
On the x-axis.
Mm-hmm. Right here. So this is how the problem wants you to do it. And then you connect the dots. You're done. Because the instructions say to plot it using intercepts. So that's the technique they want you to do.
Oh, okay. So that's the right way to do it?
Yes. Now you could do it the other way. 15x minus